Hi guys, we'll talk about the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro versus RedMagic 9 Pro Plus. The Vivo IQOO 12 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The RedMagic 9 Pro Plus launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The weight of these devices, the Vivo IQOO 12 Pro have 210 grams and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 229 grams. The build, the front and back glass and aluminium frame, Vivo IQOO 12 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM supported. The display, the Vivo IQOO 12 have LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus AMOLED 1 billion color. The screen size is same, not much difference. And the resolution of this device, the Vivo IQOO 12 have 2K screen resolution and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 1116 by 2480 pixels and the PPI density of Vivo IQOO 12 have 518 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus 400 PPI density. Let's talk about the refresh rate of these devices. Vivo IQOO 12 have 144Hz refresh rate screen and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 120Hz refresh rate screen. The screen to body ratio is much same and the protection of these devices Gorilla Glass. And the screen brightness of Vivo IQOO 12 have 300 nits peak and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 1600 nits peak. Talk about his cameras. The Vivo IQOO 12 come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and the 64 megapixel periscope telephoto and also record 8K 30fps video. And the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus also have triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro and it's also record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of these devices, the Vivo IQOO 12 have 16 megapixel selfie camera and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have under display 16 megapixel selfie camera. The platform, the Vivo IQOO 12 and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus come with octa-core Cortex X4 CPU and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and GPU of Adreno 750 and it's also based on Android 14. The memory, the Vivo IQOO 12 have 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 12GB, 16GB and 24GB RAM. And both devices have 1TB storage and not available micro SD card. Let's talk about their batteries. The Vivo IQOO 12 have 5100 mAh battery and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 5500 mAh battery. The charging, the Vivo IQOO 12 have 120 watt fast charging and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus have 165 watt wireless fast charging. And the wireless charging of these mobiles, Vivo IQOO 12 have 50 watt fast wireless charging and RedMagic 9 Pro Plus not have any wireless charging. It's also come with 5G network. The result of these devices, Vivo IQOO 12 got 23 points and the RedMagic 9 Pro Plus got 20 points.